Hey friends, happy Wednesday. Today is May 6th. We are almost done with the week. All right, for virtual summer countdown, today's day is Flashlight Reading Marathon. How fun does that sound? So what you're going to do is, if it's okay with mom or dad, you're going to build a fort and you're going to use a flashlight to read today. And then I want you to share a picture either of your fort or of yourself reading. And if you look for reading today, it's your stamina reading. So it's like the perfect day for that. So step one, you're going to watch Miss Bonilla's lesson, and she's going to talk to you about what she wants you to do for your stamina reading today, which is trying to figure out what tricky words mean. We've been doing that all week. Okay, so you can use the EPIC website in step two for your stamina reading for 30 minutes, and there is our class code in case you forgot it. Some of you have not tried this website yet, and I promise you will love it. So all you have to do is click on here. It'll take you to the link. You're going to put this code in, GID6060, find your name, and start reading. Simple as that. And then step three, after you're done reading for at least 30 minutes, can you read more than 30 minutes? Of course. But reading at least 30 minutes, you're going to start a new thread and you're going to share 2 tricky words you came across when you were reading today. And how did you use some clues to figure out those words? Miss Bonilla tells you in step 1 in the lesson that if you say, oh, I didn't have any tricky words, I knew what all the words meant, maybe it's because the text is too easy. So maybe you need to try to find a harder text, okay? So please make sure that you're doing that. For writing, you're going to do the writing choice board again this week. Okay, I know this is our 3rd week doing it, so you should be used to what each of the choices are. Again, you have to choose different books than you haven't picked before. Okay, if it's a book in a series, that's okay if it's just a different book. So if you watch the lesson with Miss Phillips, she's going to do some shout outs. She even does a shout out to one of the friends in our class who did an awesome job with their writing choice board last week. So kind of watch the lesson so you can see what she's looking for, then do the choice board. So you have today, Wednesday, and tomorrow, Thursday, to do the choice board. That gives you 1 choice today and 1 choice tomorrow, and then you're all finished, okay? You don't have the whole week like the weeks before. And then for math, hopefully you guys are now used to it. Math is going to be all on 1 page. If you look here, it says math lesson and quiz. So this is going to be your grade for the week for math. This is going in the grade book. So if you click on that link, it's going to show you your little brain warm up. It's going to show you the lesson. The lesson today is going to be on picture graphs. It's going to be really important to watch that lesson before you take the quiz because there are going to be some picture graphs on the quiz. And then there's going to be a link on the bottom. If it'll open up, there's going to be a link on the bottom that you can it'll take you right to the quiz. Remember, like all the other quizzes, you have as many tries as you want until you get a 100. An 80 should be like the lowest grade you get. So if you get like a 70 or 60, I would try to take it again. Some of you are not going back and taking those, and it's really important to do that. So it looks like it's not opening here, but you know that it's going to take you to those 3 things. So the quiz should be there on the bottom. Just email me or message me if you're not able to find it. Right now, Ms. Holland's computer is being a little bit slow. Other than that, you're done for the day. Some of you, I've only had 12 friends. I sent an email last night. There it is. I only had 12 friends do their their science grade from yesterday. So only 12 friends right now have a grade in the grade book. So if you did not do your science yesterday, comparing and contrasting the forest in Atlanta to a different region, then you need to make sure that you do that before Friday because that is a grade. So again, like I was saying about the quiz, if you click here, it'll take you right to that quiz. It's 10 questions. It's going to have bar graphs and picture graphs. Remember when there's a how many more or how many fewer, what operation are you doing? Subtraction. There is going to be 1 question on the quiz that is a 2-step word problem, which means you're going to have to add 2 things, add 2 other things, and then find the difference between those, and then subtract those 2. So you'll see which one I'm talking about when you take the quiz. So read those word problems very carefully. All right, happy Wednesday. I can't wait to see your stamina reading, and I hope you have a great day.